Well, hello. Hadn't made a video in a little bit. I just wanted to make a couple of sound samples. I changed some strings on one, and I got one put together. I wanted to show this one off. This was actually sent to me by a good friend on the Ukulele Underground forums. It's one of the little do-it-yourself put-together kits, build kits for a soprano ukulele. And I finally got it put together and strung up today, and been letting it the strings settle in, and I figured I'd make a little sound sample with it. So it's been taking a little to get used to. It's a little bit different than my other ukuleles. Of course, this isn't quite the highest quality of wood for an uke. But it got me thinking, about the original ukuleles, and I'm not necessarily talking about like the original kamakas. I'm talking about, before that. You know what I mean? And even while that was going on, there was a lot of people couldn't afford a kamaka. They had to make an ukulele out of whatever they could, and they had to learn how to make it sound good. So that's what I've been trying to play around with a little bit today, is trying to get used to this soprano and seeing if I can make it sound good. So. Let's see what I can do with it. Not quite used to the size yet. Still trying to get used to it, but I'll get there. Feels like it needs to be played faster. With a few more tools, I think I could actually build my own ukulele. Of course, I didn't make the box for this, and I didn't, form the neck. I did do some shaping and everything, and learned how to do my frets. I've got as good of a fret job on this as my Greenbird and my Eastman ukulele does. They have the best fret treatments that I have. But like I said, I was able to practice that skill, installing fretboard, putting the neck and everything together. I installed some Durjon UPT type tuners in it. The other ones were just, extremely big, bulky, heavy ones. And I figure if it don't last, I can always take the tuners back off of it. This is made out of extremely soft basswood. Even the neck and all is, extremely soft. So I don't know for sure how long it'll stay good and straight. I strung it up with Nylgut strings just to keep it as low tension as possible. Recommendation of a UU friend, thank you. And everything is really nice, and I don't know how you can tell how nice and straight it is, but everything is real nice and straight on it right now. I didn't want to put too awful much into it because of reviews and things on these tend to say that the wood tends to move pretty quick on them. But I use this as a learning experience, help increase my knowledge of building ukuleles and repairing them. And well, I think I did a fairly good job on her. But I'm proud of it myself anyways. And a special thank you to my UU friend for my new soprano ukulele that I was trying to avoid and not get one since I only play concert for the last 8 months. But I guess the soprano went out on this one. We got one anyways. And looks like we might have another one on the way. So anyways, here we go. My soprano. Thank y'all very much for listening.